Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Preferred Expressions team. I am Sanjay. From this video session guys, we are going to create a new playlist called Codeigniter version 3 HMVC tutorial for beginners. This is our part 1. Inside this first part, we will discuss about introduction about HMVC in Codeigniter. So far, by the help of a Codeigniter playlist, we had seen about the extended functionality of Codeigniter, about libraries, about helpers, about MVC pattern in deep level. Now we are going to extend the functionality of Codeigniter framework. So to extend the functionality, we are going to learn about HMVC in Codeigniter. So what basically HMVC stands for? If you go to the next tab, so what is HMVC in Codeigniter? HMVC stands for Hierarchical Model View Controller. Modular extensions make the Codeigniter PHP framework more modular. Modules are a group of independent components, typically model, view, and the controller. It means that while learning about HMVC pattern, we can make our modules. Those modules basically contains the independent components which contains about model, controller, and view. All these things are arranged in an application modules subdirectory that can be dropped into other Codeigniter applications. This allows easy distribution of independent components, that is model, view, and the controller in a single directory across other Codeigniter applications. These lines of definition under what is an HMVC Codeigniter we will understand by going through these lines. So let's understand about the second point. Any change in folder structure. So while doing or while going through HMVC in Codeigniter, actually we have to change or put extra folders inside our Codeigniter setup. So what basically changes actually we have to do? So firstly we need to download about the fresh setup of Codeigniter, either any of the version. So inside this whole playlist, we are going to cover about the HMVC inside Codeigniter version 3.1.10. Now after downloading the whole setup, we are going to put about some modules files basically to support our HMVC pattern. So what basically this modules file stands for? So modules file basically contain two files, means two libraries, some files which basically we will place inside our core folder, and the second we will place inside third-party library folder. So how can we know about the core folder as well as third-party folder? So if I go to folder structure, now this is Codeigniter version setup. Now inside this application folder, if you find that here we have a folder called third party and the code folder. This is the folder structure basically the default Codeigniter setup provides. Now inside these setups called core and third party, we are going to put some extra files to support HMVC pattern. So if we move to the slide, now we are going to put some module files inside core folder as well as inside third-party library. So while including all these modules files to our simple Codeigniter setup, we are going to make that Codeigniter setup which basically support HMVC. So what basically HMVC now stands for? HMVC stands for we are just merging simple Codeigniter setup with modular extension. By going through that modular extension, now we are ready to actually make module wise programming or module wise segregation of models, views, and controllers inside Codeigniter. So if we back to our browser, now before going that, inside this slide I also mentioned about that if you want to download about HMVC Codeigniter setup, just you have to open this link into browser. Now here is the link. You can just clone this here or download zip from here. Now inside this, as we can see that this is a simple Codeigniter setup which basically contains application folder, system folder, and the user guide, and rest of all these the necessary files of Codeigniter setup. Now if you go to the core folder, something called application folder, scroll down. Now inside this application folder, we have all the folders what basically a Codeigniter setup default provides. Now inside this folder, if you go to the core folder, just I'm clicking on that. Now inside this folder we have called my underscore loader.php, my underscore router.php. So these are the two files which basically we have to actually set or provide inside this core folder. Back to application. Scroll down. Now go inside third party folder. Now inside third party folder, we also provided a library for our modular extension and something called MX. Inside this MX folder, we have multiple files which basically helps us to connect with the modular programming or HMVC pattern in Codeigniter. So to make a simple Codeigniter to HMVC, what basically I have done, I have downloaded the latest version of Codeigniter from the official website. Separately, I have downloaded the files of core folder and the third party folder from other resources, and successfully I have merged and also resolved some conflict errors. And after merging with the Codeigniter and the modules files, I have just put all these setups of fresh setup for HMVC inside OWT Hub GitHub repository. Now you can download the complete HMVC or modular supported Codeigniter setup from here. From the next video, we will download or clone this setup to our local host and start working about how HMVC is more modular and somewhere how it can actually extend the functionality of Codeigniter we will study in deep level. If we back to folder structure, now inside this setup, what we have seen inside GitHub repository, we have core folder. Inside this we have two files. Back here inside third party, we have called MX folder. So inside the next video, we will download the whole setup called Codeigniter HMVC from GitHub and we will start coding over modular extension. Now back to slide. Now by the help of these definitions as well as some linkings, we actually understood about basic concept of Codeigniter HMVC. So inside this video session guys, if you went out, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.